Hey guys, it's Gedalje back to you with another video. Have you ever seen a property where the garages are bigger than the house? Well, I've got news for you. We're at 6607 Avienda, Desierto, Verde, located in the prestigious Havasu Foothills. Come on in and let's check this one out. We are here at the beautiful 6607 Avienda, Desierto, Verde. This property features the coveted double RV garage that you can really see is being utilized perfectly. On top of that, air conditioning, 2 mini splits come, making this, again, really the perfect garage. You've got RV hookups, more electrical outlets, a drive-through door, an extended 2-car garage here. Again, really just some incredible garage space. We'll make our way now into the home so you guys can see some of the finishes. This has a beautiful contemporary, more of a modern design with gray flooring, white quartz countertops, and check out that kitchen. KitchenAid appliances, a double oven, 42-inch cabinets, backsplash that goes all the way up to the hood. Really nice spacious kitchen living area. That really nice popular open floor plan. You can see pretty much just a totally open concept. Lots of glass here on the back. Lots of natural light. 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doors. You guys know that's a favorite of mine. Here into the owner's suite. Absolutely gorgeous. Got a walk-in shower. Got a nice tub there, good size owner's closet, sliders out to the backyard. Again, really tons of glass. Backyard there that's set up perfectly to add your future pool. Yeah, check this out. This even has hand textured walls. Really, really nice. Quality construction here. Again, we're located at 6607 Avienda, Desierto, Verde. This is a new listing of mine that has just hit the market for $1,150,000. Again, brought to you by the Gedalje Group with eXp Realty, the #1 real estate group in Lake Havasu City. Thank you guys so much for watching another walkthrough here in Lake Havasu.